At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. From Uno Ear Device, Uno know see a one and only attack for the press. Well, Deputy General Secretary of the Jamaica Labour Party, JLP Senator Delroy Williams, has confirmed that he has applied to represent the party in Central Clarendon at the next general election. According to Senator Williams, he has no doubt in his ability to contribute positively to Central Clarendon as Member of Parliament. So my wisdom warriors, the whole of them are fret. The whole of them are fret. You know see? The whole of them are fret. PNP have them weak. PNP make them a stress right out. PNP make them a stress right out. When them look and they see the crowd where PNP bring, they can't believe them eyes, much less them ears or them nose. Can you imagine now? Delroy Williams now apply. Them it, Them things say if Delroy Williams got Clarendon, them things say yes, them are going. Uno still now win. Uno go lose. Uno a loser. Uno is a set of loser. A peer Rob Andrew Wallace have to rob up election for win. Uno na see. That happened the last time. Peer Rob Andrew Wallace have to rob up election for win. Remember say robbery for him middle name, Allegedly. Lord Jesus, my wisdom warriors. You can't believe Delroy Williams, which is the deputy mayor of KSAMC, I go all the way down to Clarendon. But me want to know, are you going to give up? Are you going to give up that post? Are you going to give up the deputy mayor post? Because you know if you have that the post there, Delroy. You know if you have that the post there at all. Where is the 88 million? You come and hype up yourself and flaunt yourself all over and talk about you apply to be caretaker for Central Clarendon. Uno still a go lose. You understand me? We know say a no. When uno see Marky G out and everybody I say power to the world. A power we say right through. Changes, we have to get changes. We can't just sit down so under phone of government. Uno don't care about the people. Look what Una do now. Look what Una do. You need to find the 88 million. You need to come out and tell us about the 88 million. Where is it? You come and talk about you want to be caretaker for Central Clarendon. You're going to lose. You're going to lose down there, so. My wisdom warriors, Una tell me what you think. Chairman of the Clarendon Municipal Corporation, Joel Williams, will continue as mayor of Maypen. Local government minister Desmond Mackenzie says he received the legal confirmation from the Attorney General and Solicitor General. Wanna hear them nonsense here? Remember, so the Attorney General worked for Andrew Wallace. Remember, so the Attorney General worked for Andrew Wallace. So where you come and tell we? Where you come and tell we Desmond Mackenzie? You think so we are idiot? Why Joel Williams don't want to give up the position? Why Joel Williams don't want to give up the position? That is the question me I ask. A PNP if take over. A PNP if take over. Other day a PNP win in that area. So a PNP if control Clarendon. But there's something about Clarendon. Something about Clarendon, my people. Something not right with that municipal. Me see them go and them check all the municipal, but they not check Clarendon. Something not right down there, so. Something not right. Why you not want to give up down there, so, Joel? Why you not want to give up down there, so? A PNP if you take over Clarendon, I want to come out talk about you go to Attorney General and get advice. The Attorney General work for the government of Jamaica. The Attorney General work for Andrew Wallace, so we're not going to expect nothing better. Remember, say the Attorney General did a fight for the DPP. We all know what is going on. Una can trick some people, but not everybody una can trick. You understand? Why una want hold on pan things so? Why una like for hold on pan things so and no want give up? Remember say when una go in, una go in peacefully. So una need to come out peacefully. You understand? A PNP for run yes or no? PNP for run yes or no? So when you come out to talk about you get legal advice, no worry. No worry yourself. Because PNP are going to deal with no clot in a courthouse. And you know say PNP always win. You know that? Anytime PNP take on a go court, them always win. You don't think the people are fool? So my wisdom warriors. Minister Mackenzie made the announcement as tensions continue between the PNP and JLP councillors over which side is to lead the corporation. A PNP will lead the corporation. PNP will lead the corporation. You understand? PNP win. So how PNP will win and una lead corporation? A foolishness that. A foolishness that. PNP win. So a PNP will run over there, so not uno. Something right about that place here, you know. I wouldn't like them go do some check on the municipal corporation. I would like the Auditor General go do some checks on this municipal corporation in a Clarendon because something not right down there. So, my wisdom warriors, tell me if you don't agree, yes or no. Opposition Senator Donna Scott Motley is suggesting the current state of Jamaica judiciary raises questions about the country's capacity to have a local final appellate court. During her State of the Nation debate contribution on Friday, Senator Scott Motley slammed the government for its stubborn refusal to back the Caribbean Court of Justice, CCJ. My wisdom warriors, you see all of this what Andrew Holness I do, yeah, it just not make no sense. You have the CCJ, what Jamaica subscribe to. On a pay 26 million already. Yeah? Why not let the CCJ be the final court? Andrew Holness did promise us. He did promise us. You don't want to hear it? Andrew Holness did promise us. But Andrew Holness want to be in charge. He want to have power. He want final court. How can we allow a criminal, a corrupted government, if you have a final court in Jamaica? My wisdom warriors, that cannot work. You know, remember other day, me tell you, say, me see what Andrew Holness I do. Talk truth if you don't remember, my people. Comment and write, remember. Comment and write, remember. Me not tell you no other day, say Andrew Holness, a whole lamp of the Privy Council can want to go build up big courthouse to be final court in a Jamaica. That is Andrew Holness' plan. It not go work. There's no way we can have a corrupted government if you have final court in a Jamaica. It can't work. Look what DPP do with the cartel case. Look how much more case the DPP mess up. DPP left from Jamaica, go all the way to England, go tell lie. And una come talk about final court. No justice now go serve. No justice now go serve. So Jamaica, una have to know what you want, you know. This is our future now, you know. This is our future. You understand? And I want you to remember to labor right. Innocent people is in jail also. And a peer criminal they are jail. There's a lot of innocent youth. When a hurt a fly yet from them born, they are jail. And all know they can't come out. You understand me? All know they can't find the millions of dollars to take the government to Privy Council. They don't have it unless you're rich. So how the Privy Council go benefit we? The Privy Council cannot benefit us. It better than use the CCJ. Remember saying no, this final court what Andrew Holness want in Jamaica, it can't work. Because nobody not trust the court system. So no take that out of your head. And to take that out of your blouse and skirt head. Because it not going to happen. It will never happen. Unless this country is clear of corruption. But as long as this government is corrupted, there will never be a final court in Jamaica. Hello? How you want to rank Andrew Holness? How you want to out order? How you want so little bit of me case? Me don't understand. You really want Jamaica to have the... Okay, I see what you're doing. So you want to have the final court in Jamaica, and then you come out with your debt this and your debt and you can hang on one hang and treat the Jamaican people like dog shit, and no other else country can step in to help when you start with the Jamaican people. It will never happen, Andrew Wallace. Take that out of your mind, because we the Jamaican people are fight till the very end. Yeah, we the Jamaican people are fight till the very end. You're not going to be president, let me tell you that. So if you are planning for thief election, you're not going to work. Because we are fight for this. We are fight for freedom. You don't want fully decolonize the people. Them tell the labor right them the truth. Tell the labor right them, because of them, and them are the problem. So tell the labor right the truth. You all a lie to your own party people them, and your wellness. For show you're wicked. For show you how you're wicked. But you want to have final court in Jamaica. You want to have final court in Jamaica. You crazy? You crazy? My wisdom warriors, we will never find justice in our country where criminals make rules. Wanna hear me? We will never find justice in a country where the criminal make rules. And guess what? This government is a set of criminals. And them are the lawmakers. So we will never get justice. So if on the Jamaican people no stand up for truth and rights, if on the Jamaican people no stand up for no future, let me tell you something, man. Let me tell you something. Dog are going to with supper. Dog are going to with supper. And not only with supper. Them are going to with breakfast, with lunch, and with dinner too. Let me tell you now. Andrew Holness plan is to have the final court in Jamaica. That means that nobody cannot have no chat in a country. Him alone. Andrew Holness, you know. Andrew Holness will trick the poor people them and take with them land under style. Me can't believe. Me can't believe. One man can so wicked, man. One man can so wicked. Imagine people have them land. Poor people, have them land, but true them can't afford to build the house. Andrew Holness say go build them house. Andrew Holness build house man people land, and I tell the people them say, if them dead, if something happen to them, the house belong to the government. So no family member at all cannot get the house. But what they can do is put a stranger in the house. So they can bring somebody from a different area, from St. Anne's, and bring them up in a Kingston and give them it. That is wrong. Them they sitting there now, Andrew Holness, them they sitting there now, I go cause crime and violence. Because at them the time they know, people, remember people are kill people for land, Remember people already are dirt people for land. My wisdom warriors, it rough, but we can't just sit down so. Jamaica, we can't sit down so. And allow this man to trample upon we. We have to do better. We have to stand together. You understand? And always remember, Jamaica. Always remember. We will never find justice in a country where criminals make rules. So, you have to tell me what you think about that. Put your honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, my people. I have a second channel. I want to run go over there right now. No. It is called PNP News Round. Subscribe and get me to 5K. Blessings upon blessings. One love.